Hello everyone, I am Rohan Patwardhan. Today I will be explaining you about two new features coming with OpenSpecimen version 10.x. So they are called Container Archive, Unarchive. Whenever any freezer facilities have the containers which are never going to be used or are supposed to be removed from the system, then archive is an option which can be used. Archiving removes the container from the position. It empties the position so that new containers can be added at that position. You cannot store specimen to an archived container. All the child containers are also automatically archived. So typically if you archive a complete rack, all the descendants of the rack, that is, let's say drawers, some boxes, all of them will be automatically archived. You cannot archive the container if there are any specimens stored within the container or within any of the descendants of the container. So this is archive, and the good thing about archive versus delete is you have an option to undo the wrong deleted containers. So that is called as unarchive. That means you are going to return the containers to the freezer. Now let's see how it looks in the system. Let's assume we have multiple containers that needs to be archived. So currently I'm just selecting one box which has some specimens stored, and along with that I have a rack with 20 boxes which I need to archive. What I need to do is I need to go to the container list view page, click on actions, click on archive. Here you need to enter comma separated unique names, or if in case if you are scanning the barcodes, then you just need to click this and enter barcodes in comma separated format. So currently I am just copying this name. For reference, I will also try to archive one box containing specimens. I will add it. If the container is present, that will be added in this particular list. I need to click on next, add a reason. I can add different reasons or copy first reason for all. If I click on submit, it will throw me an error that the box contains 73 specimens. So what I need to do is I need to remove this box from the list and then click on submit. One container is archived. So if I come back over here, I reload this page. You will see that the rack number 2, which was earlier over here, is moved at the bottom inside the shelf 4. The position where the rack 2 was present is now emptied and available for any new container. If I expand this part, you will observe all the 20 boxes that were present under rack 2, they are also archived. You will see the red status with archived status. If I select it, you will see the status as archived, and an error message will show that this particular box is archived. So no other actions can be performed on this container. In case if I have done this by mistake, or in case if I plan to give the same name to some other container, I can go to overview page, click on unarchive. So basically all the default parent container, that is the shelf 4, that is defaulted over here. If if the position is empty, then I just need to enter reason and unarchive. In case if this position is already fixed, you need to manually select a different parent container. I have to click unarchive. and your rack will be returned to its original position. If I go to shelf view, you will see that rack 2 is now back in place in active status, and all the containers that were archived, they all of them are unarchived in the same place. So this is how archive and unarchive works. Thank you.